Ufila kanjani?
Inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu, bengizitsho ukuthi nginomuntu ongithandayo straight manje masangitshela ngabo Siphokazi nami angisazi ukuthi ngimephi ke manje. So I think I'll move on.
I think you'll move on.
Yeah, I think it's for the best.
You were lying about pregnancy.
Yeah.
Because you wanted to know. Yeah, because I can see. You wanted to see ukuthi uzofila kanjani.
Yeah.
I-condom niyasebenzisa?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Uyathanda ukuyithanda kona?
Iyangilimaza.
Ha. Nongene isho kanjalo.
Hayi, yasilimaza phela sho ukuthi iqiniso.
Even the ones that you buy at the shops, ziyalimaza.
Ikondom uyithola eshop, uyithola eclinic.
No. Angithi khona lezi lisithola for free. Angazi kuphi.
Zonke ziyafana.
Even the ones 100 and something.
That's one.
Yazazi lozi.
Angizazi iziphi zona lezo.
Sikhona. Yeke uzazi because if a friend yakho akathenge zona.
Hayi ke sho ukuthi mina ungizelana lezi zaseclinic ezicheap ezilimazanayo.
But there's ones that you can find at any shops that are not expensive again.
Yeah, maybe I'll try it with someone else.
Yeah, ne. So single so.
Yeah, manje single, ready to mingle.
Sister. You still need to get counseling over, right?
Counseling?
You can't be ready to mingle so early.
I'll try.
Any advice to people who are watching? Any advice about umjolo?
Umjolo utawuheda guys. Makachubekani njole because anyway siphila ngawo umjolo. Umuntu ngom-advisor ngomjolo bazokhetha but still they tend to go to the very same person laba babahithayo.
Hectic.
Kuraf.
This is Lele Hlonolo from CMTV. This is the end of the episode. Don't forget to subscribe.